This 2026 Forest River Berkshire 39A is a Class A RV. It is located in Casselberry, Florida, 32707 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Orlando. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 103 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2026 Forest River Berkshire 39A is built on a Freightliner XCR Raised Rail chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.